very excited because my Fit BOXX came in today. And this is my first unboxing thing I've ever done. So I'll try not to sound super basic with it. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. It has weight to it. Okay, I can't. I gotta. Ooh. I don't know how many boxes come with like an actual sweatshirt, but mine did. So that's the front, and this is like right here on the corner on the shoulder. Yeah, it is, because this is the front. And this is on the back corner of like your shoulder blade. That's sexy as fuck. I'm into that. From Born Primitive. I like that. It kind of reminds me of like Muscle Flow. If you guys know what Muscle Flow is. Okay. High Octane. It sounds like it's gonna fire me up. Pomegranate Mojito Zest Tea. The rush without the grind. Yeah, don't we all wish we could have that? Oh, more Zest Tea. Energy tea, spicy masala chai, super berry samba, blue lady. That sounds like some green fairy stuff. I can get behind that. Yes, sir. Bob. 50%. Nope. $50 gift voucher for Born Primitive. I can't show you my code. I'm new to this. Forgive me. Oh, wow. I needed this. Damn. Why didn't I open this before when I went to the dog park? I could have used one of these. They are Hummingbird. Give me 5. This is so fun, you guys. I've never done this before. But I'm excited to try all these, and I know my mom's gonna be like, what you got? Hummingbird. Hemp. Oh, I'm gonna have to open these. Yeah, we gotta do that right now. Where'd those scissors go? Ooh, yes. This is my kind of thing. Like, people who, if you know me, you know I like weird flavors. Lavender, pistachio, and blueberry. That's my jam. Like, throw in some floral scents and I'm there. Honey and cinnamon, almond and chocolate. Okay, keep it original. Pumpkin seed and spice. Yeah. I'm excited. I'm probably gonna try. No, I can't. I can't try it right now. We just made some food that I'm gonna post later. I need to save room for that. But I will post a video of me trying this at a later date. Sorry. Can't try it right now. Gluten-free. Oh, wow. I've actually really been wanting to try something gluten-free. Like, I want to try going gluten-free for a month. So, I don't want to save this for that long, though, because I don't know when that's going to be. But I'm really excited to try this. Add water and microwave. Gluten-free. I was about to put my hand on it like it mattered. Chocolate cake with salted caramel chips. Oh, I know I'm gonna want to steal this from me too. Ooh. Mike's Recovery. Excuse me, by the way. Restore mineral soak. Oh, wow. I'm excited for this because you know I love my baths. Oh. Yes. Mike's Recovery. All right, Mike. Mike's Recovery. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Rest, restore, relief. I'm so excited. Okay, alright. ULTIMA Replenisher. Electrolyte. Oof. It's like you guys read my mind and you knew that I wasn't drinking enough water and I added my additives, but sometimes I like it to taste like something, and you knew I needed this in my life because your girl has been waking up in the morning and she's like, we need to drink more water to catch my drift. Paleo powder. Oh, did I show this one? Oh, or did I show this one? Oh my gosh, I suck. That's the Mike's Recovery. And this is our electrolyte drink mix. Oh, where's the... There it is. I swear I'll get better at these. Okay. I need some of that electrolyte shit right now because my brain is not working. Guys, I need to work on my finger strength because it's just not, it's not here. Oh, what? Ooh. Ooh, this is so fun. Spices. All-purpose seasoning, organic paleo powder, pink, herbed. And this is AIP, and I don't know what that means. Paleo powder AIP is blended only with ingredients compatible with the dietary guidelines for autoimmune disease. No peppers or other nightshades. Wow, I really love that. I know several people with autoimmune diseases, so that's really cool. What is this one? Paleo powder herbed is blended with the perfect combination of savory herbs and zero salt. We love zero salt. And paleo powder pink is the original paleo-friendly all-purpose seasoning with Himalayan pink salt. Okay, so this is salt. This doesn't have salt. And then we have our autoimmune-friendly. Autoimmune. Got it. That's what that stands for, AIP. Those are those. I'm very excited for that. I kind of want to smell it. I hope. Is that bad to smell spices though? Oh. I'm gonna open it. I just stuck my nose right in there, so, you know, heat kills everything. This is like the boxes of all boxes. This is the Apex Recovery. Ooh, ooh, it is a massage gun. You guys, I have the Theragun, and the Theragun slaps, and not the good slaps. Like, that shit hurts. It slaps you, and it's not therapeutic at all. At the physical therapy place where I used to work, they had the Hypervolt, and the Hypervolt was so relaxing, and it had a flat head, and everybody loved it. So I think it depends on what your preference is, and you know, some people really want that thing to go in there and hurt them. You shush. But I'm excited to see how this works, and I know my family's gonna be excited for it too. So this was like, I know it wasn't catered to me, but I really feel like it was catered for me. I don't know. You know, the Fit BOXX is created by someone that I knew at CSUN, a colleague. Is that what you call them? Right? That's a colleague, right? Someone that I went to school with? I don't know. Shows how much my education helped me. I don't feel like they know me that well. But this feels like it was catered to me, okay? I got my seasonings for cooking with autoimmune because you know that I have that like personal attachment tugging at my heartstrings. We got my soaking for the bath, which is just I take back.
Like almost every day, every other day. Eating my electrolytes because I don't drink enough water and I'm dehydrated as fuck. Eating my tea because I've been trying to drink more tea because I'm also dehydrated and I'm trying to drink coffee and it's energy tea. Eating my gluten free because you know, in my head, something that I haven't disclosed to anybody, but you know because that's how close we are. That I'm trying, I want to go and try. I want to go gluten free. And you know that I've started this 30-day thing with Zabu and I'm going overstating. And I'm getting a little bars on the go. Oh. And you know that I like apparel and clothes because he doesn't. So, I'm just mind blown. I'm really excited to go outside and know what's going on everybody's got. So, thank you, Fit BOXX.
If you guys haven't heard of them, now you do. For my workout junkie people out there, this is so fun. I'm so excited. No, that's about it. Yeah. Come here, Zob. Let's send him off. Come here, my dog. Bye, everybody. I hope you guys have a happy holiday and you'll be seeing more of my face.